There's a little bit bigger cave right there.
Yeah, that one's kind of cool too.
Yeah. I jumped right into it the last time, right all the way. Yeah. Yeah, it's really kind of perfect. I think that's what's really good with my tires.
It's all about your perspective. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm following that little bird. Let it roll. Right up there on the top. Ooh, cut. Probably getting tired of me by now. Trying to hide behind that bush. What's up, little buddy? I'm sorry, I've been following you for a while. Got some waves coming in from the boats and the skis. All right, we're gonna leave you alone, buddy. I have to admit that was fun. Wait a minute, I want to see if you go in this little rock cave over here. I'm just gonna follow you for one more minute. It's just casual.